Riz Designs wants to do a graphics giveaway. All you gotta do is like this video, subscribe to my channel, and make sure you subscribe to his channel, Riz Designs. It'll be linked down below. And comment on this video what bike you ride, and you'll be entered to win some free graphics.
Yeah, come on. We're gonna camp right here.
Look at this car.
Picking up some parts on Offer Up. Homie recognized me from the channel.
That's right.
What's your name, dog?
I'm Jeff.
Jeff? Appreciate the support, man.
Of course, man.
Right on.
Love the videos.
Hell yeah, that's what's up.
Hell yeah, bud.
Now you can look for yourself in one, dude.
Yeah.
Tell your friends.
For sure, man.
Loaded up. Almost ready to head out. Got the fresh bikes back there. Got the new Can-Am. Even bringing the 110 back. Come on. Taking this trip solo. It's me and Gigi. Anthony finally got a job. He's stuck at work. We're about to get it. 3rd annual Glamis birthday trip. All right, here we go. On the road again. Ready, Gigi? Let's roll.
You like to get nasty, huh? Yeah, what's happening? You like to get nasty.
Made it to the Arco. Time to gas him up. Oh yeah. We about to get it. We gas him up. We don't notice. Oh, it's nice and clean. Oh, Anthony. Oh, I think you got a little something in there, bud. Oh, looks like both cans. Nice. Still out here though. All right, so cleaning out Anthony's gas cans. Cops saw me dumping in the trash can. Whoopsie. You know we had to pull up to Ramey's. Come on now. Time for a birthday steak. All right, we made it. Oh, we ain't getting stuck there. Hell no. I know what happens right there. Gotta go drop a trailer, pick one up. Whole do-si-do. Come on, let's get this party started. Dropped off one trailer, now I go pick up mine. It's all the work by yourself. Alright, baby, we made it. Back to the washes. We out here. Look at that, home sweet home. Only a couple neighbors. Let's get it. Yep. I think we're gonna camp right here. Looks good to me. All right, GG, finally made it. All the toys and trailers it can. A little stuck and uneven, but you know, ain't gonna sweat that. Nothing a beer can't fix. We out here. Oh, this phone don't do the beauty justice, I tell you. Bless you. It's official now. Oh yeah. Come on. Oh, let's see, but I'm thirsty.
Alright, time to head out to Glamis. It is currently 8:34 p.m. Let's see what time we get there. I just got off work. Time to meet Devin out in Glamis. He's already there. Should be a good, fun, nice drive. We're heading out to Glamis for Devin's 3rd annual birthday trip. Let's get it. Our ETA is 12:05 in the AM. Let's see how close we get to it. We made it to the Arco. Had to stop and get a Glamis pass. Last time I got a ticket, because Devin said it was a free weekend. We ain't risking it this time. Currently 12:25. We made it. Beach store. We out here, baby. Back to the washers. Here we go. Dream since 02. What you dreaming about? Getting rich.
Oh, came in hot, dude. I didn't even have time to record his entrance. Fool came in hot. It's taking too long. God damn, I need one of those flashlights. I can definitely see through the night with that thing.
This one's like $60.
Maybe you're not taking enough.
I'm not taking enough. Why? And I was in the bathroom for like 20 minutes. That.
Top of the mountain. Look at that. Flags are flagging hard. Devin's getting stuck. Oh shoot. Watch out. Time to head over to Daddy's, get some food, and then we'll do the bike reveal. Look at this car. It is badass. Hell yeah. We made it. Come by Daddy's and get a shirt. Shout out to Riz Designs for hooking us up with some new graphics. Check this out. Big shout out to Devin for putting them on.
That's right.
Hell yeah.
They're mostly street. Now to the good stuff. Son. What you know about that? Got the mountains and the number plate.
Devin be driving this thing.
Get in, loser. Do it, baby. First ride. Come on. Whoopsie.
Fresh graphics, fixed the oil leak, hopefully. About to go test it out, about to go rip.
Oh! God damn!
Are you alright?
Yeah!
Holy sh! Dude, we just hopped on!
I locked it up and did another front flip.
Oh my god, dude.
I think my gut hit the bars.
It looks sketchy. Your front went over.
I knew it was coming. I was like, oh, broke the new whip. It's all good.
You gotta start carrying Allen keys with you. Oh, you bent the plastic.
Yep, she came down hard.
There you go. Perfect.
All right.
Just breaking her in, all right?
Woo! We gotta put this thing in my ash crack again.
I'd even check if I had gas in here.
Oh, good. Now you mentioned it, I didn't either.
I got 3/4 of our tank. We're good.
You went over the bar? Oh, yeah. Same as last time, but it was a little smoother. Didn't hit my head.
You got up quicker.
Oh, yeah. Oh, good shit, huh? Good thing I got that filter. All right, we warmed up now.
Are we gonna go back and fix it or keep going?
No, we keep going. We're right here. Son of a bitch. It's all right, nothing a beer can't fix. Oh, there's my horns.
Don't worry, I brought the first aid kit.
Yeah. So glad I didn't get hurt, dude. Fuck.
Yeah, it's good, thankfully. Look at that bad machine right there. Sick. Oh yeah, right there. Damn, Devin's flying. Missed it. I better not get my bike dirty.
Huh? Oh, yeah.
Look at that flagging. Get yours linked down below, alldreadproductions.com. Speaking of that, got a first aid kit for you after that crash.
Oh, yeah. That'll fix it.
Devin walked all the way over there to see for an Allen key to fix his flag. See, is it the walk of shame? Is he walking back? Still looking. Look at that. Damn! Walk of shame? You gotta stop crashing.
Tell me what to do.
Alright, let's see if you can stick that thing in there. Fix it. That's right. Stick your things in where places they go. Like your flag and your flag holder. Nothing else. Well, you stuck it in there, but it's not all of it. Yep. Now you just, okay. That could work. There you go. Bumping. Look at this rail right here. Hell yeah. Damn, Gina.
Yeah.
We're back out to flagging.
Who's flagging again?
Who wants a flag?